Has someone ever copied everything you did? How did that make you feel? When I was small, I absolutely hated for others to copy me. My younger brother loved to copy everything that I did or said. It was very irritating, and no matter how frustrated it made me, or how many times my parents told him to stop, he would never stop. In Peggy Rathmann's book called Ruby the Copycat, you'll meet Ruby, who reminds me so much of my little brother. This realistic fiction starts on a Monday with Ruby on her first day at a new school. She is a little nervous and unsure of herself, so she begins to admire another student in her class by the name of Angela. One day, she notices that Angela is wearing a red bow in her hair, and Ruby thinks it is so pretty. At lunchtime, Ruby goes home and soon returns with a red bow in her hair just like Angela's. Angela does not seem to mind, so she comments her. As the days go by, Ruby and Angela becomes great friends. Ruby begins to copy everything that Angela does, what she wears, and even what she says. At first, Angela, she thought it was cute, and she does not seem to even be bothered by her. But after Ruby copies a poem that Angela works really hard on, Angela becomes very upset with her. She does not want to play with her anymore. She doesn't even want to talk to her. She writes a letter to Ruby to let her know how upset she is with her and that she's going to tell the teacher that she's copying her. This hurts Ruby deeply. Miss Hart, Ruby's teacher, tries to talk to Ruby about the importance of just being herself. She tells her, "Look, Ruby, I like you, and I want you to just be Ruby." Little did she know, Ruby was admiring her beautiful pink nails. Miss Hart thinks that these little talks help, but the next week, Ruby comes to school and begins to copy her. Oh no, here we go again. Ruby reminds me of my younger brother because just like her, he was a copycat. Although this is not a true story, it is a realistic fiction because the setting, which was at school, the characters, which were little children, and the events all could actually take place in real life. I know exactly how Angela felt. Being copied might seem harmless at first, but after so long, it can become very frustrating and annoying, even if that person does not mean any harm. My brother eventually grew out of copying me. Will Ruby ever learn? Read Ruby the Copycat to find out. Thank you.